Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to draw ellipses in Autocad software. So I'll open software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here. And now we are on a new drawing area. So to save with the ellipse command, it is available in the draw panel over here, this one. So next to the ellipse command, there is a small arrow. If you click on which, you can see three type of ellipses available. So we'll try each one of them. So now I'll press the escape key. So let us draw some ellipses. But before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option turned on. So if it is off, just turn it on. So if you keep the dynamic input option on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So now let us draw some ellipses. But before that, I'll draw one rectangle so that you will understand the ellipse concept easily. So I have this rectangle here. Now let us try the first one, that is the center ellipse. So now it is asking for the specify center of ellipse. So I'll choose the center point of rectangle as the center point of ellipse. I click over there. Now it is asking for specify endpoint of axis. So I'm going to click over here, this endpoint here. And again it is asking for specify distance to the other axis. So I click over here. So in this type of ellipse, what we did is we mentioned the length of this distance here and this distance here. Got it? You have to mention the distance of this one and this one from the center point. Got it? So I'll erase this or delete this. Now let us try the second type of ellipse, that is the axis and end. So now it is asking for specify axis endpoint of ellipse. So I'll start from here, not from the center point like in the previous type. I'll start from here. So this length you have to mention and this length. Got it? So we are mentioning this length and this length in this type of ellipse. Got it? So now let us try the third type. So I'll delete these. Now let us try the third type, elliptical arc. So this is same as an arc in a circle. We are drawing part of an ellipse. Got it? So the procedure is same as that of the previous type, that is this one here, axis and end type only. So you have to specify the axis endpoint of elliptical arc. So from here to here you have to mention, and again this length here. Got it? This is same as that of the second type. Now we have the ellipse, and now we have to choose a part of the ellipse that we drew. So I'll start from here maybe, and I'll drag it up to here. And you can see there specify end angle it is asking. So you can enter some angle here as well, or you can graphically select one point in the screen. Maybe up to here I'll select. Got it? This is same as that of the second type, but we want to choose a part of the ellipse after we draw the ellipse. Got it? So this is how we draw ellipses in AutoCAD. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.